Today let's take a look at a MiG welder on Amazon by bestarc. This is their MiG 145. This is both a 110 and 220. Let me grab the box here. So if you look, these are your accessories that they include. You can MiG stick, lift TIG, both gas, flux, 6% duty cycle, wide range of everything. Very nice quality. They include 2 rolls of wire. This is a 030 MiG wire, and this is a 40 flux. This is your stick clamp, grounding clamp. They give you a motor wheel, 2 additional tips, tip tool, manual, the hose, threaded brass, good quality. Crack open this thing and look on the inside. You have 2 latches on each side, and I like this one. This one's a little different than others. The top opens up, and right out the gate, you don't see this too often on these machines, but they do give you a detailed view of everything with the unit, how to set everything up, recommendations for a wire and voltage, whether you're using what material you're using would be steel or stainless or whatever. But you don't really get those in these machines. This is where we're going to put our wire. Motor on top. They give you a wire feed button, and I'm really impressed. I like this unit a lot. Very sharp. Let's turn it on and look at the screen. So very bright screen. Over here at the bottom, let's start there, so you can move to your wire diameter all the way up to a 040. This is the 2T, 4T. That's for your trigger, gas or flux, MiG, TIG, or stick. I don't want to leave out this feature here, so you focus in. So this machine does include the synergic feature. You're just going to tap the button here to turn off and to turn on. So once you select your wire, go to flux, go to 40. So once you select your wire and all your parameters, and this is going to give you a recommendation, and you can adjust it from there. And we're gonna go up to, let's say, 80 amps. Why don't we go ahead and feed some wire. Get our wire set up, washer, spring, nut. This is going to go in this way. Put a little tension on it for now. We'll come back and adjust that later. Alright, we're going to come around, feed through here. Make sure we're in there groove on the wheel. These aren't as good as they used to be. Let's see. Go ahead and close this wheel. We're going to tighten it down a little bit. With flux, you don't have to worry. Well, with flux, you don't want to tighten too much because you'll crush the shielding on the outside. So we're going to snug just a little bit. What I do like, the machine is still on, but the fan's off, not being used. So let's go ahead and run some wire. Remove this tip. Now, I like how fast that feeds. Right to the point. And that's it. Ready to go. Let's go ahead and replace our tip. Fed right through the wire. I'm going to snug that just a little bit. You don't want it too tight. Perfect. Place our tip. And we're going to leave about 1/4 of an inch. Ready to go. Why don't we go outside and put some heat through this machine, run some wire and see what she's got. Now let me just show you guys, getting good penetration, good heat. A good bead all the way through. This is a 1/4 inch steel. Bestarc MiG 145. Offered on Amazon at $140. Great machine. Welds great. Just came from outside. We put some 040 wire that they included through it. No issues at all. Welded with no problem. Excellent quality. Includes everything you see, everything you need. Definitely check it out.